Hello everyone, what's up? YouTube is part of our life, and what if something went wrong on YouTube and you can't even play any single video? In this particular video, I'm going to show you 3 best fixes you can try right now on your smartphone to fix something went wrong on YouTube. Let's dive in. Before moving on, have you subscribed yet? If does not, then bro, subscribe button is open to you. So first thing first, whenever you get the something went wrong on YouTube error, simply press and hold your download button and give your smartphone an instant restart. I know many of you guys might be wondering how it can fix it, but in most cases it fixes. And second step is simply tap and hold on the YouTube app icon. Here tap on the app info, or alternatively you can get into mobile settings, then all apps list, and from here you have to get into the storage usage. At this point you have to simply clear the cache of YouTube app. It would just fix the something went wrong error easily. And here is one more thing you can do. Link is given in the description of this blog, backdroid.com. Here are 10 ultimate fixes, but let me show you the best one. Now here is something you can do right now, is check for the app update. If your YouTube app is up to date, then get into this menu again of app info, tap on those two dots and simply uninstall updates. So when you uninstall the updates, YouTube would replace to its factory version, then re-update the app. Don't worry, you would easily update the app. And these are my best fixes that I tried on this smartphone, which is like 2 to 3 years old. And if you like this video, subscribe bro. What you are doing, I don't know bro. We are from BackDroid. I am Kunal Kashyap. Bye.